Hi, I'm going to show you how to prepare and install Easyfix Trackglaze Horizontal, which along with Trackglaze Vertical make up the range of sliding secondary glazing systems available from Tubeway. This is a simple, cost-effective and smart way of insulating against heat loss and noise using 4mm glass, acrylic or polycarbonate sheet. In addition to this video, we also have full instructions you can download and print from our online purchasing site secondarydiyglazing.com, where you can also buy draught excluders for insulating your windows before you start. Trackglaze Horizontal is one of a wide range of secondary glazing systems detailed on our website. It's available in white or brown and in packs of 1 or 2 metre lengths. If you have a cavity wider than 2 metres, you can add a 3 metre extension pair of top and bottom track to avoid joints in the finished window. Each pack includes 3 lengths of the deep track used on the top and each side, 1 length of the shallower bottom track, 2 lengths of angle handles, and a 6 or 12 metre coil of bristle seal. Additional bristle seal can be purchased separately. There's also a pack of surface preparation wipes. All components have self-adhesive tape applied and are easy to cut to size using a hacksaw or scissors. These kits can be purchased individually or in a pack of 3 at a reduced kit price. The kits require a cavity of at least 20mm to be mounted into. If you do not have a cavity deep enough, we supply window conversion angles that can be fixed onto the wall face surrounding the window to create a mounting frame. To prepare, check your window cavity is flat and true, which it needs to be for the system to work properly. Then measure the width and the height to work out the length of kit you require and the size to cut them to. Use the full width for the top and bottom tracks without a mitre, making the sides a little shorter to fit. The height for glass panels is 13mm less than the cavity height, and for acrylic or polycarbonate panels it's 12mm less. The combined width of 2 glazing panels will be the same as the cavity width plus 4mm. If you use 3 or more panels, add 8mm to the overall width for each extra panel before dividing up. If you use glass, ask your glazier about whether to use normal or toughened glass, and make sure that the edges are ground down to remove sharpness. In any case, with glass or plastic glazing, we recommend the use of gloves when installing, as this also prevents fingerprints and smears. We recommend a maximum of 1500mm for either dimension of glass panel to keep the weight down, and plastic glazing panels should not exceed 1 metre high to remove the risk of bowing. This is further reduced by the use of stiff angles as handles. Once you've bought what you need, start by cleaning down the frame edges for best adhesion using the surface preparation wipes provided. Cut the shallower bottom track, remove the tape and stick down. Then do the same with the deeper top track. Next, remeasure the sides for absolute accuracy, then cut and install a length of the deeper track. You should now have a neatly aligned double track all the way round, like this one we prepared earlier. Now stick the bristle seal onto the rear glazing sheet within 1mm of each edge. This is now ready to be put into the tracks, and I'll do this from behind to give you a better view. With the bristle facing into the room, push the panel all the way into the top track as far as it will go. Lift the panel over the bottom track and slot into place. We suggest you do a trial fit of the front panel before adding the bristle seal to make sure that the visible edge will overlap the rear panel bristle. When complete, making sure the bristle faces in, install the front panel. You can see that we've already added the handle by measuring the visible height from the front glazing sheet, taking 10mm from this for the ideal length, cutting that from the angle and sticking it to the front panel. Being careful to leave the gap at the top of the sheet so the sheet can be removed when necessary. The angle should mask the bristle seal and makes for easy sliding. And there you have it. Very simple, effective and smart. Go to secondarydiyglazing.com for all pack and pricing details, or call and speak to our sales team on 01473 231 907. Thank you for watching.